Big Kirk 916, muscle up. Get tuned into my car channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the channel. We're about to take a stroll through this car show out here in Scottsdale by Cave Creek, the toy barn, and check out some cool cars. And checking out the toy barn out here in Scottsdale. This is a once a month car show that they do where these people open up their garages and you can come out here and check all the cool cars out. And there's usually a nice turnout. I think it's the fourth Saturday of the month. But yeah, this is the Arizona car scene, man. A lot of cool cars out here. I've been out here before if you've seen some of my other videos. This guy right here, he has a lot of cool Mopar stuff he's always working on. If you're a Mopar guy, he's got some cool stuff. I think he brings them all back to spec. It's clean. It's got a nice candy. Man, the engine bay is right. LS1. Man, this thing is nice. Got the Willwoods. Got a nice offset on it. Disc brakes. Clean interior. Nice setup. It's clean. Beautiful car. C8s, C7s. Take your pick. Some air cools. A lot of cool Porsches out here. That looks pretty original. That's clean. 356. More Porsches for you. What is that, 911, is that a 911 GT3 Touring without the big wing on it. Beautiful car. Turbo S. Beautiful car. Kind of reminds me, it's not a, it's a Griffa. It's an Nika. Yeah, I remember these. These had the 327s in them. Clean car. Kind of was based, kind of like the Daytonas. I've always liked these. Clean car. Sporty. And just unique in its own, you know? Tell me what you think. I like getting stuff that's different. Here. This is clean. got the Rona wheels on it. It's a classic body style, man. These BMWs are just, man, perfect touring car. Clean. Black badges. They're over here. Another limited edition Porsche. Man, look at the rotors on that thing. Massive. Pilot Sport Cup 2s. I like the ass of this car. It's badass. You don't see a lot of these. Got the carbon fiber seats. It's a beautiful spec, and it's a manual. Wow. Carbon fiber side mirrors. El Camino. Oh, this is the one that was on the roadster shop. Oh, this is badass. Yeah, man, I remember him driving this. Man.
There's a guy up here that has 3. There's a guy over there.
Beautiful.
Some people buy them all.
Yep, the roaster shop. I remember they did a episode on this, and the guy who owns this, he has a couple other roaster shop cars too. This is clean. Super clean. Oh, Austin Healey. Oh, British car. Look at that little motor. little 4-banger. Look at that. Oh, man, look at the shifters at on that. Oh, Austin Healey. You got a Cobra with a Vortex supercharger on it. For you Cobra fans out there. Now look where this shifter's at. Isn't that crazy? Imagine shifting this thing. These are really going up on the collector car market. This is a really clean example of one. Yeah, these are definitely coveted in the BMW world.
It runs as good as it looks.
Hey, it's a beautiful car, man. So you have right here, this is pretty cool. This is when they put the modern body kits on the old school body kits from like the 50s Corvettes on a modern chassis. So you get all the benefits of a newer Corvette with the old school look. Let me know what you guys think, if you like this style, or would you rather have the older Corvette with the chassis swap? It looks really good with the chrome and everything on here. Barn Car Show out here in Cave Creek. Big Herc 916. Muscle up.